What are we doing?
Staying at the pool.
We're gonna go play at the pool. Do we have the pool all to ourselves?
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you gonna do a cannonball?
Maybe.
Maybe. Are you gonna tap dance your way into the pool? Silly
That's
girl.
funny.
You're funny. I love you. We're gonna have fun.
Yeah.
You want to do a cannonball? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, don't run. All right, you guys.
Are you ready? You can play the notes? You ready? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Guys, it's Sunday. Today really wasn't the best day for me, but I did get to go to the mall and tried on a bunch of really cute shoes, and I got a new swimsuit, which I'll show you guys later because it's different. Yeah, but Adrian's really happy because he's at the taco truck. If I can make my phone turn around. Do we see that? It's taco truck. So someone's happy. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but yes. I know it looks totally grody, huh? Right, Roach Coach? Yeah, I don't really know who orders Mexican breakfast burritos in the evening, but this guy does, so meh, whatever. We'll see how it goes. Ciao. Come here. You gonna come here?
Huh?
Come here. Ah, not that close.
What you doing?
I'm vlogging. What are you doing?
Waiting for my breakfast burrito.
What time of day is it?
Breakfast time.
The world may never know.
It's breakfast time.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
breakfast time. Breakfast for you.
You eat pizza?
I'd eat pizza for breakfast.
I've had pizza for breakfast. You know what? We should go get a Taco Bell breakfast thing.
Okay, as we are about to pick up a pizza that we just ordered, you're getting taco truck and Taco Bell. As you can see, we're on the Guide Meridian. Oh, ignore our windshield. It's ugly. We're at the gas station. And that's a big ass sign that says Licka. God, that just looks so fucking janky. Happy boy right there. What's happening here?
No, they didn't even. The poor presentation has never looked like this. It doesn't even look like it's packed. Normally, it's a big, fat, fucking packed breakfast burrito.
Yeah, it's fat and packed.
Yeah. It's so good, though.
What's in it?
Chorizo, eggs, cheese, cilantro, a little bit of beans, and that's it.
And that's it?
Normally I haven't put carne asada in it, but I didn't have them do it this time. I should have. Regret that.
You guys, so I just got back from Fred Meyer and I picked up more Essence stuff because I can't stay away from it. I picked up this Sun Club matte bronzing powder. It's kind of crazy. Look at it. But check this out. Hold on. There's like some crazy chicks dancing in it, so it's kind of exciting. And the weird thing too is it smells like coconut. Like the powder smells like coconut. I don't know how it makes me feel. I didn't know that until I opened it, but we'll give it a shot. And then I also grabbed this cream concealer. I was hoping to use this lighter one as like an under eye brightening situation. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so it's time for makeup. Here's my little arsenal of stuff that I'm going to be using on my face. As you can see, I have a little bit of mix of primarily drugstore and high-end. Got my e.l.f. going on, and my MAC, and my Hard Candy, and Milani, and Essence, and gotta have my Bath & Body Works Warm Vanilla Sugar, some lashes, and of course my Poison cup full of water. Alright, see you when I've got this face beat.
15 minutes for a quote is crazy. With easier in 7.5 minutes, can see.
Can you say something?
The jets are finally working.
The jets are finally working. Does it feel good? Does it feel good? Cold? I'm zooming in. I wanted to look at your sexy body.